Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and this week I'm gonna make a vegan shrimp po' boy using the Mind Blown dusted shrimp. So I'm gonna show you how it's made in just a moment. These are all the ingredients you'll be using. Go ahead and heat the stove to a medium-high heat and add your grapeseed oil. Go ahead and add the vegan shrimp. I didn't add the whole entire pack again because I'm making this on a shrimp po' boy, so I don't want to use all of it. I added some Old Bay seasoning and some parsley. I allowed it to cook for a minute on each side, and of course, I occasionally flipped it on both sides. It's time for the flip. I added a little bit of Old Bay and parsley on the other side. A couple more flips and it's almost done. Now it's time to remove it from the stove. Once it's plated, it looks like this. As you can see, the toppings I use the spicy ranch and Louisiana sauce. Once it's done, it comes out looking like this. Doesn't it look oh so yummy? I'm excited because the shrimp by itself tastes delicious. So we're gonna dig right on in. I'm gonna take a bite. Again, it's got some Louisiana hot sauce. It's got the spicy ranch, Roma tomatoes, and shallots. So I'm gonna try to take a bite. Oh my God. Y'all gotta try this. Y'all gotta make this. It's oh so delicious. Mind blown. It's absolutely phenomenal. Make this and see what's possible. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye. And don't forget to stop at Sprouts for this mind blown shrimp.